Assalamu alaikum everyone. Dear students, I'm Ashrafuzzaman, assistant teacher, Kasai Secondary School. Welcome to our online class. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well. I am also fine. Dear students, you know the school is closed due to pandemic for a long time. So we are arranging online class for you. I hope it will be very useful for you. Students, I would like to discuss about a topic for the students of class 6. The topic is in your English Today book. It is lesson 1. It is lesson 9. The title of lesson 9 is Health is Wealth. Students, after completing the lesson, students will be able to ask and answer questions, participate in dialogues and conversation on familiar topics, read and understand written instruction, read and understand text. Students, pay your attention to A. Choose a health problems from the box and write next to the appropriate picture. There are names of more problems in the box than are necessary. A fever, a backache, a cough, a headache, a toothache, a skin injury, a stomachache, a cold, a burn. Restaurants. Now, I'm learning these words in Bengali. A fever, a fava, জ্বর, a backache, পিঠ ব্যথা, a cough, কাশি, a headache, মাথা ব্যথা, a toothache, দাঁত ব্যথা, a skin injury, ত্বকের বিভিন্ন ধরনের আঘাত বা ত্বকের সমস্যা, a stomachic, পেট ব্যথা, a cold, সর্দি ঠান্ডা, a burn, পুড়ে যাওয়া। Now we are going to E. Read the texts. The students, please listen the reading the text. The proverb says, "Health is wealth." To keep healthy is to keep free from disease and anxiety. Good health is proper functioning of all body organs. It is also feeling well both in body and in mind. People are in good health are active, cheerful, happy. If you are healthy, you can be happy and can help others in society as well. To keep in good health, we should be careful about hygiene. The rules and practices of keeping good health are called hygiene. We must practice the rules of hygiene, proper food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness, and proper medicare are essential for good health. Some important rules of good personal health are as follows. Balanced diet. Our food should contain correct proportion of carbohydrates, fat, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water in it. B. Personal hygiene. We should follow the personal health practices such as wash your hands, before eating. Bath regularly and wear clean clothes. Brush your teeth twice regularly. Do not let your nails grow long. Cut them regularly. Wash your feet and hands before going to bed. Cleaning households. We should keep our households and environment clean. D. Taking clean food and water. Our food should be fresh, clean, and properly cooked, and water should be pure. Taking regular exercise, we should take part in games and sports and take physical exercise regularly. F. Taking regular sleep and rest. We should sleep properly and take proper rest. Even answer the following question. 1. What do you mean by hygiene? 2. What are essential for good health? 3. What do we mean by balanced diet? 4. What are the rules of personal hygiene? The students, please pay attention to F. Listen to the conversation on a CD or as your teacher read it and fill in the blanks in following sentence. Sean, hi Simon, you look so fit. Do you exercise regularly? Simon, yes, I do. I'm fit about fitness. Sean, so how do you exercise? Simon, well, I do jogging every day in the dot. Then I play table tennis in the afternoon. The students following this dialogue, you have to fill the blanks. The students, you know now the time is the for a pandemic, so we have to be careful about uh, the hygiene. Please keep in your home and be safe. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.